Need to find or change your mobile hotspot password in Windows 11? Here's a quick guide to help you do it in seconds. Press the Win+I keys together on your PC to launch the Settings app. In the Settings window, click on the Network and Internet option on the left. Now, navigate to the right side, scroll down a bit, and click on Mobile Hotspot. In the next window, on the right side, under the Mobile Hotspot section, you will find the Network Properties option under the Properties section. Here, you will see the name of the Wi-Fi hotspot and the password. Click on the Edit button next to it to change the password. In the Edit Network info prompt, you can change both the network name and the network password. Once done, press Save to save the changes. Now you have successfully retrieved and changes the mobile hotspot password on your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.